Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, Forest our lifeline. Okay, you all know no forest. Have you visited, right? So in that hill place, if you go there, your both the side will get no forest. So that forest about we are going to discuss today. So yeah, first of all, forest includes what? So it includes many variety of plants, animals, and there are some insects. Decomposers also is there, right? So this decomposer means we will discuss later. It is totally about flora and fauna. Flora in the sense plants, fauna in the sense animals. So nowadays we are going to destroy the forest, right? So because of we are making the city over there, right? So many buildings are we are constructing, right? They are all are they making sites for there, right? So all forest they are going to destroying nowadays. But government has reserved for some forest area, right? There are so many animals you will get, right? So like lion, tiger, deer, elephant, right? You all see no so many kinds of plants you will get. First we are going to what is forest consist of. Variety of animals are there, right? It is a habitat for wildlife also, right? So many wild animals are live in the forest. Domestic animals we are in a home only, we can live, they will live, right? So for wild animals, where they are stay, all in the forest only, like tiger, lion, yoke, all these are all in the forest. You can see the picture here, so many animals, right? So if you come to the forest in the plants, so many varieties. So some of the large trees you will get, some of the small small plants will be there. So anybody go and plant their plants, neem tree like that? No, themselves they will grow, right? Because of their disposal of seeds, they will only by the pollinators too they going to distribute. Pollinator in the sense air, wind, water, they helps to pollinate there, right? So pollination too they will grow the, they will, seeds will be disposed there, plants will grow. Okay, so we will get many product from the forest, right? Some of the plants are small, larger, you can see like this, so many variety of plants we can see on that. So what are the product we will get? Human life almost 90% of we are depend on the forest only, right? So because whatever we are getting the product for food, like or things we are doing, see here they are given gum, honeybee, medicinal plants, they are the forest products only, right? So most important forest we have say that it is a lungs for us, because plants help us to change that carbon dioxide to oxygen, no, we have living, because of that breathing for oxygen gas we required, right? So most of the oxygen we get from the plant only. Okay, one point we are discuss later. Some important thing, first plants, if you are come means in that plant we can see the most of the type, right? So first one herbs, second shrubs, then we will get trees, creeper, climbers, trees. Okay, so herbs means what? First of all, it is a very short size, right? Short plant we are saying, no, small size, it form a lowest layer in the ground, like tomato grass. If you take, how is the stem of that? Very small, no? So small size one, it is also lifespan will be very less. One season, after one season it will be collapse, no? So it is very short lifespan in the sense birth to death. First type is herbs. Okay, example for the tomato, wheat, grass, ಪೆಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಭತ್ತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮು ತುಂಬ ವೀಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಬ್ಸ್ they will be medium size, not taller than the trees, but it is taller than the herbs and shorter in trees too. Okay, so medium sized, taller than the herbs but shorter in the size of trees compared to. They are most of the stem will be little hard is there. It is very bushy, like bushy andre stems ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, so many branches we will get. Like if you see the rose, lemon plant, so many branches you will get, no? But in the grass, tomato, they are only one stem, in that only little branches are there. But in the shrubs not like that, it is little bit taller than the herbs but is there more branches in that, bushy like is there. Okay, so for example, rose, lemon, jasmine, these all you know already, right? So plants about we are discussing means you need to know the different types of plants. Okay, so next one is creepers. Creeper means you know they will form the ground layer. Like if you go for pumpkin plant, how they are, it is grow longer, no, it is creepers are there. What they do, they are go ground, they will leave a fiber like roots for in the ground, they will grow like that, right? It will be take a support for other thing, right? So that is ground layer it forming. Not it is like a herbs they will not take a support of ground, only their root will be holding the soil. But here they made a fiber like structure that is holding the soil here, creeper. Okay, so example for creepers, pumpkin, watermelon, you saw, no? So how it is a ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಥರ ಹಬ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ most advanced. Like creepers they will take a support of the ground, no, but here climbers they will climb ಅಂದರೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಬ್ಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮರಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಬ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Climbers are more advanced than the creepers, have very thin and long and weak stem, because their stem how it is very thick compared to these shrubs and herbs. They have a little hard is there shrubs, but here in the herbs also weak only. That to compare means very weak stem these two have, creepers and climbers. Example you have saw, no, money plant, cucumber, grapes. What we are do, we are going to tie for the wall also, or they will take a support of other plant, right? So like that supporting they will grow. Okay, creepers and climbers. Okay, then after we will get no trees. Okay, that is the fifth type of the plant. Okay, so herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. Many examples you can give for this. So these are in the form in the where ground layer which are there, herbs and creepers. Shrubs they will form a mediator like. Okay, not in the ground also, it is in a medium size. Okay, but climbers also we can grow, no, more till to plant tree type. Okay, it will be climbing, no? So these are the types of plants. Next, if you come to that, what is the structure of forest? Structure of forest means what is made up of forest, in the sense they are first plants I don't know, it is a herbs, shrubs, trees, climber, creepers, they all will be the one of the structure in the ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪು ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. So all variety, only they will be have a small plants, no, all variety we will see. Next one, if it is canopy in the sense it is a uppermost branch. If you come to the trees, look at this picture, there is a crown like kirita tara kanastade nodi tree. See, you can see the ground layer, so many herbs, shrubs are there, and tall trees also. Here upper part is there, right? So these upper part, what is this? Canopy. Okay, so their downward branches all we will see, no, that is this understory. Okay, upper part canopy, downward layer is understory. Okay, so uppermost branch and leaves of the trees, crown like we will see now, that is what canopy. Understories in the sense different horizontal layer form, right? Different types of crowns here we can see. So here if you take a smaller plant, here we see that downward part, like in a stem up branches we will forming, no, here look at here, these are what canopy in the sense. Here downward layer also forming, no, from the tall short tree to, that is what understories. Okay, so they given a canopy and understories in the forest, that is also structure of the forest only. Okay, so what are the importance of forest if you come means, so forest they will give many product for us, right? So product in the sense day to day life using, for we are using, no, honey we are using, gum, right? Wood also main, wood, so many variety of things we will get. And so importance all we are discussing later. First we need to know what is forest. Forest is totally we can say flora and fauna. Flora in the sense plants, fauna in the sense animals, all together they give us shelter, right? So what it is consist, variety of plants, understories and canopy. Okay, so they will help us to live, right? So it is living thing also is there, non-living things also is there, they all stay in that, they will give a shelter for us, right? So many varieties we will get, uses we will discuss later. First what is herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, these all know. Then after, so what is the structure of the forest, or remember later in the next video we will discuss about the importance of forest. Okay.